Hello everybody, welcome. Today we are talking about something so powerful, something each one of us holds inside. We are talking about the power of writing. You might think, I'm not a writer, but I am here to tell you, yes, you are. If you have thoughts, if you have feelings, if you have a story to tell, then you have everything you need to begin this beautiful journey. Writing is not just for famous authors or people with fancy degrees. It is for you. It is for me. It is for anyone who wants to share a piece of their heart with the world. The process is a path, a wonderful guide to help you find your voice. Think of the writing process as a trusted friend that will hold your hand and walk with you, step by step. Every great piece of writing, from a simple email to a world-changing book, starts in the same place. It starts with a tiny spark, a little idea. This is the very first step, what we call pre-writing. It's the before you write part, and it is pure magic. Where do these ideas come from? They are all around you. They come from a conversation you overhear at the grocery store, from a memory from your childhood, or a question you can't stop thinking about. Your life is a goldmine of ideas, waiting for you to notice them. Once you catch that little spark, your job is to give it some air to grow. Don't rush to write full sentences yet. Just play with the idea. This is the time for brainstorming. Get a piece of paper and a pen. Create a mind map with your main idea in the center and related thoughts branching out. For example, vacation. Beach, mountains, food, friends. Don't judge your thoughts. Let them all come out. After you have a cloud of ideas, create a simple outline. Just list the main points you want to talk about in order. Now we get to the part that most people think of as writing. This is called drafting. Think of it as the get it all down stage. Your plan is in your hand. Time to let the words flow out of you. The most important rule: do not try to make it perfect. A first draft is supposed to be messy, a little clumsy. Its only job is to exist. Keep the pen moving, keep the momentum going. Set aside time where you won't be interrupted. Find a comfortable spot. Put on some music if that helps you. Look at the first point on your outline and start writing. Write as if you are talking to a close friend. Don't worry about spelling or grammar. Ignore the red underlines for now. If you get stuck, type, "I'm stuck here," and move on. You are pouring the sand out of the box now, so later you can build a beautiful sandcastle. Right now, just get all the sand out. Start with your introduction. My best holiday is New Year's. I like it a lot. Then describe the food and family traditions. My grandmother makes a big soup. We all eat it together. When you finish, you will have a complete first draft. Celebrate. This is a huge accomplishment. All right, you have your first draft. You let it rest for a little while, maybe a day or two. Now you come back to it with fresh eyes. This next stage is revising. Revising is not about fixing tiny mistakes. It is about looking at the big picture. It is about making your writing stronger, clearer, more powerful. One of the best ways to revise is to read your writing out loud. Your ear will hear things your eye might miss. You will hear where sentences sound awkward or where you repeat yourself too much. Ask, is this the best way to say this? Could I use a stronger word here? Instead of "the food was good," try, "the aroma of my grandmother's spicy soup filled the entire house." You are adding details, color, and emotion. You are showing, not telling. This is how you pull your reader into your world. Check organization. Does each paragraph hold a single main idea? Is there a smooth flow? Don't be afraid to move sentences or whole paragraphs around. After big picture revision, it's time for editing. Put on your detective hat and hunt for small mistakes. Check spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Read slowly, line by line, maybe even backward for details. Editing is the final polish. Revising is for the heart. Editing is for the clean, beautiful surface. We have come to the final, the most courageous step of our journey: publishing. When I say publishing, I don't just mean getting your name on the cover of a book. It simply means sharing your work with another person. It can be sending an email to your boss, posting on your blog, or reading a poem to a friend. Let it go into the world. It takes courage and a little vulnerability. When a reader connects with your story, a special kind of magic happens. Your ideas travel from your mind to theirs. Your feelings create an echo in their heart. You are no longer alone with your thoughts. You have created a connection. This is the ultimate purpose of writing: to communicate, to share, to connect with other human beings. Whether you reach one person or 1 million, you have used your voice to make a difference. Remember, every writer feels fear before they share their work. That means you care. Don't let that fear stop you. Your voice is worthy of being heard. Take a deep breath, trust your work, and press send. Click post. Share your truth. Writing is a practice. The more you write, the better you become. Keep writing. Keep telling your stories. Keep sharing your beautiful, one-of-a-kind light. The world is waiting to hear from you. I believe in you.